Hi there, students. To dissimulate, okay, a verb, dissimulation as the noun, um, dissimulated as an adjective, yes. Okay, so to dissimulate means to hide or to disguise your thoughts, your feelings, or your true character. This is to appear to think or to be somebody you're not, or to hide your feelings. So the British are always dissimulating their feelings. Yeah, stiff upper lip. Yeah, that's dissimulation. Yeah, you don't show that you've got a problem. Yeah, there may be a problem, but you just dissimulate. Yeah, you pretend nothing's wrong. Okay, and this is the idea of to dissimulate. Yeah, to hide your true feelings. You could dissimulate your intentions as well. He dissimulated his intentions of calling off sick so he could go to the football match by saying that the day before that he wasn't feeling very well. He was setting up the situation. So the British tend to dissimulate when it comes to feelings, whereas Mediterranean peoples dissimulate much less. Yeah. I guess a policeman who wears plain clothes. This is to dissimulate the fact that he is actually a policeman. So to dissimulate, to pretend, to hide, to mask, to disguise. Okay. Let's see. I made a mistake while I was making the video, but I dissimulated. I pretended nothing had happened, nothing had gone wrong. Yeah. The food served at the party was far too salty, too much salt in it. But the hostess dissimulated. Lovely, isn't it? Pretending that everything's okay. Yeah, that everything's as it should be. Everything's hunky dory. So to dissimulate, to practice deception by hiding something, by not saying something, or by giving a false appearance, to dissimulate, yeah? To disguise something by putting on a false appearance, yeah? And this is the idea of dissimulation. When people dissimulate, you cannot normally see what the reality is, but maybe not. If they're good at dissimulating, then you're never going to know. So to camouflage, to disguise, a masquerade, to dissemble, to mask. Yeah. So when you're dissimulating, you're masking your true feelings. You're hiding the true situation. So just pretend nothing is wrong. I just need you to dissimulate. So in fact, he's really, really rich, but he dissimulates by wearing poor quality, ragged clothing. Yeah, and that's his way of dissimulating, to hide something under false pretenses. She smiled at me to dissimulate and give the impression that nothing was wrong. Yeah, I think maybe politicians, they have an ability to dissimulate. They are very good at dissimulating, at dissimulation. Yeah, they hide what they really think. Yeah, they don't give their true feelings, their true opinions. Yeah, so actually, I hate this guy's guts, but I'm going to dissimulate and be incredibly polite and incredibly nice to him. Yeah, or maybe you do something to dissimulate your true motives. Yeah, so this is hypocrisy, to act hypocritically. Yeah, you're pretending that one thing is true and you are dissimulating. Yeah, you're pretending that something is true, but it's just not. Okay, and this is the idea of to dissimulate or dissimulation. So, formality, dissimulate. I think this I'm going to give a 6.5 in formality. I don't think I would use it informally. Informally, to pretend. Yeah, to pretend not to something or other. Used to dissimulate in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the Latin verb dissimulare, yeah, which actually comes from dissimilis in Latin. Dis, not, and similis, like. So if somebody dissimulates, this is the impression they give is not like the truth. It's not the reality. Okay, so to dissimulate, to hide your state of mind, to pretend that something is true when it's not. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dissimulate, dissimulation.